Today, I almost stole 2 Pomeranian puppies, and I'm not even sorry about it. This is Blueberry and Bonbon, and they were the highlight of my year. Stay tuned if you think you can handle the
Oh
cuteness.
my God, you guys are so cute. I can't take it. I can't do it. You're killing me. Look at those little faces. Look at those little faces. Oh my God.
You guys, this is real life. He's wearing a freaking bow tie. I can't take this. They are 11 and 10 weeks old, and they're getting their first grooms today. And I forgot your names already. How did I forget your names already? That's ridiculous. Okay, wait a minute. Shoot. Okay, I need to read my file. Okay, so we are starting with the male today because he was falling asleep on the ground. So I think he's going to be the most chill because he's very tired. Missy over here, where are you going? Madame, what are you doing? You don't know? You're a whiny little thing. Did I take your brother away from you? Did I take your brother away from you? How dare I? Okay. So this is Fluff Off shampoo. It's safe for puppies and it's all bubbly, and I'm going to put him into the tub. Oh, there you go. Oh my God, you little fluffy thing. So I'm going to say, I could be wrong, that this is a blue and tan color, a dilute from black, but I don't actually know because the facial markings are a little different. So I need to find out what color Pomeranian this is. The CKC does not recognize different colors like this, but the AKC, I believe, has more colors that they do recognize, like Merle, for example. Oh my God, stop crying. I can't. You little baby? Are you a little baby? Oh, don't cry. This isn't real. Oh my God. I had 2 Pomeranians on the books, but I actually forgot that they were Pomeranian puppies. So when I saw them, I nearly fell over and died. Right? Yeah, I nearly fell over and died. You guys should come back when you're adults so we can have the before and after, right? Of you growing up. Is that dramatic? You're so what's funny is that these Pomeranian puppies, which are, I believe she said 11 and 10 weeks old, are the same size as Melvin and Ace. Yeah, you're the same size as Melvin and Ace. So you guys are gonna be probably around the 10-pound mark full grown, I'm gonna say, 8 to 10 pounds. So Pomeranians need to get used to grooming from a young age, because they will be getting groomed the rest of their life, and if they aren't groomed, at least by the owner or professionally, they will be very matted. So they need to get used to grooming. They need to be okay with it. Oh dear Lord, I can't take how cute you are. Stay there, little pup. Stay there, little pup. Oh, big whiny baby. Okay. You're okay, little pup. Let's rinse that little face. It's okay. Good boy. Okay, good boy. Good boy. Oh, you're a big shaker. Oh my gosh, you're so tiny. Are you peeing? Do you want a reference for how tiny he is? You're so cute. You little baby. Okay, so Pomeranian puppies still have very dense coats. So drying them can still be a task. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna try with the little handheld dryer first just because he's obviously very nervous. But ideally I'd like to switch over to the small high velocity dryer because that is going to dry him a lot quicker. Just don't fall. Just don't fall. How are you so cute? How? Come here. Come here, you little chubby little chicken. Come here. Okay, are we gonna be okay? Are we gonna manage this okay? Just take a moment to appreciate. Let's take a moment to appreciate that. Good boy. Hey you, what are you eating? No, don't eat things. Okay, good boy. Blueberry, what are you doing? Okay. Pomeranian puppies have a bit of a woolly undercoat, and that undercoat can actually be quite difficult to brush, and it can actually be very uncomfortable for brushing, which is why he's not liking it. So the best way to go about this is to use a high velocity dryer because it's gonna help to loosen up that woolly coat, making it easier for me to brush him after. So I am gonna switch over to the high velocity just because I do see how kind of knotty it is down to the skin in some certain areas. Okay, buddy. Okay. You're okay. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. It's okay. Good boy. Good boy. Now for the face, I'm definitely going to use the small dryer. Good boy. Good boy, buddy. Because the high velocity dryer was able to separate all that fur, now brushing won't be painful, which is good because Pomeranians tend to have an extreme dislike of the brush. So we don't want to cause any pulling early on to give them a fear of the brush. And that's why it's so important that Pomeranian owners have a high velocity dryer that they can use. It really makes all the difference in the world when it comes to dematting them, blowing that undercoat out, and making them enjoy grooming. Come here, buddy. Oh my God, you're so cute. Are you sleepy?
Are you sleepy? You just want to go to bed? Oh, oh my God.
Are we looking at this cuteness?
I can't take you. I can't take you.
Well, while he's in this state, I'm gonna clip his nails.
The cutest little puppy. Oh my God.
Lay down, lay down. It's okay, lay down. Good boy. Ever so gently brushing. Don't want to cause an excessive amount of pulling and make him fearful of brushing. Ma'am, no eating things. Might not like the sound of this. He really doesn't need this done since he is just a little pup, but I'm doing it just to get him used to the sound, because the clipper will be used on him in certain areas when he's older. So I just want him to get used to the sound and used to his paws having some vibration on it. Missy over here is eating hair. Excuse me, Bonbon. Not you, Blueberry. Good boy. Want to smell it? Good boy. Yes, you're a good little boy. I like you. Okay. He has this like little long hair here, which normally I would shave. But because he's a puppy, I'm assuming when he goes outside, the owners want to know whether or not he went pee. And the best way to tell is if this little hair here is wet. So I'm going to leave that because I think that that helps them with potty training. But I am going to shave your butt because I've been told that you get poop on your butt. So give me your little butt. Oh, freaking cute, I can't take it. There. Considering his name is Blueberry, he is definitely getting the Blueberry cologne. So Blueberry is all finished, and now it is time to start Bonbon. Something tells me that Bonbon is going to be a bit dramatic. Blueberry? Oh, you know your name already. That's really cute. Say bye-bye. I can tell that Bonbon is going to be a sassy little creature for grooming. She's got a different personality than her brother.
Yes, you frickin' do.
Okay, here we are. Oh, it's just water. It's just, oh, please don't drink it. That doesn't taste very good. No, don't drink it. You must be related to Gidget. I'm wearing a chest mount for this one instead of a head mount because these puppies are so low to the ground. But we will see how this works out. Hey, don't drink it.
You're a little strange. Oh, please don't. Oh, no, sucky baby, please. Okay, little Pom. Okay, I'll let you out of the tub. Okay, there we go. Good girl. Do some tearless. You're so cute. You're... Girl. Getting my camera wet. It's okay, Blueberry. It's okay, Blueberry. It's okay. Oh, Bonbon. Trust me when I tell you that it's for your own benefit. Girl, Bonbon. Oh, that sassy little thing. Where are you going? Girl, you're okay. Okay, but can you guys just, like, he is so cute. I want to die. Why are you so cute, Blueberry? Why are you so cute, Blueberry?
Okay, anyways, I'm gonna start brushing her. Now, she don't like the brush. It's okay, I have to brush you. Her coat is a lot thinner than her brother's coat. That's typical between female and male Pomeranians. Usually, males will have a lot more coat than the females. Not always, but it's more common. So he's going to require a lot more frequent grooming than she will.
Oh, you are the sassy one. You're gonna give your owners trouble for brushing. Fall asleep like your brother. Fall asleep. Stop licking my hand. Fall asleep. Oh, you're such a crazy little thing.
Trying to distract her, I feel, is not going to help. And she is a bouncy little thing.
Licky, licky, licky. Licky, licky, licky. Oh my God. How are you real?
I'm sorry guys, but Pomeranian puppies are my absolute weakness. I just can't handle the cuteness.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Very good girl. Can I see this one? Okay, now I need the other side. Ugh. So you're like a cat? Good girl. Well, those barks worked. Fred, if you wouldn't mind being of assistance and barking over there, it would be really appreciated. No, good girl. You gotta let me do it. Gotta let me do it. Good girl. Good girl. Yep. You're a wiggly little monster. Are you pathetic? Blueberry, you're really in a bad spot over there. I'm going to step on you. Her paws are not ideally trimmed, but it is her first appointment and she's nervous. So I'm just doing a mediocre groom today because this is all about introducing her to grooming and not about trying to scare the bejeebers out of her. Good girl. You're almost done. Good girl. See? You do have some fluffier feet than your brother, unless that's because they managed to do that at home for him, because he's so calm. Stay. Nope, don't smell the scissors. Good girl. Stay. Hey, don't you dare bite. Oh, you are. Yep, you're going to be a little bit more trouble to get acclimated to grooming for sure. You're going to need some more appointments right off the bat. Can you smell it? Blueberry for you as well, because I don't have a Bonbon scent. Oh my God. Okay. So she is all finished, and now I'm going to let them outside to play. We're going to have some cute Pomeranian playtime. Come here.
Bonbon and Blueberry were an absolute joy to work with, if you want to call that working. They turned into two adorable powder puffs at the end of their groom. If you're an owner of a Pomeranian, you know that their spunky, fun personalities are unmatched. If you liked this video, please help support the channel by sharing this with all of your friends, so I can keep offering my grooming services at no cost to the owners. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to figure out a way to flee the country with my two new little babies. See ya!